Now then, following on from that video that Owen and myself did discussing resilience and the Hoard, I went on a rescue mission yesterday. Somebody who had, let's call it, a collection of things and had to move, and so was going through the process of as Hunter S. Thompson said, a devastating reappraisal of all that you hold dear and true. So I came away with this sort of stuff. Now let's go through it. Some of them, things like those two blue things there, they are laser levels, but there's two of them. Over there are two jet washers with the lancers and the hoses, but there's two of them. Now, do either of them work? We do not know, and we'll probably find out this winter when I do a video about them. But let's have a brief look, and if Owen or Ian Helsby see anything that they would go, oh, I would like that, then shout out. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's a Hilti 805 breaker with chisels. There's a couple of chisels there. That one's been used as a hammer because it's got a flat end. Interesting. 110 volt with a little tub of grease. Well, we'll test that later on. What's this? It's an SDS drill, reasonably sized, but it's 110 volt, and I'm suspecting 110 volt sight drills are not on the top of the list for anybody anymore, because they all use battery drills. Yeah, but, and I probably got 2 or 3 of those already, so that might go to auction. Here, this is a lot of brewing stuff, so useful crown corks. Yeah, oh, there's loads of them. There's absolutely loads of them, so that's a great thing. And a notebook and some more jugs, bits of pipe, hydrometers. I shall keep that lot. A bucket of lead, a cheap Titan grinder, yeah, I believe Steve said that the brushes are arcing on this, so we can have a look, but you know, 30 years ago, to have a 9-inch angle grinder, you were the king, you really were. But nowadays, not so. Yeah, they're 2 a penny. So we've got those 2 still pressure washers, an RE110 and an RE109. Slightly different. Probably got different stuff inside. Yeah, probably nothing's universal anymore. But let's have a look over here. This is a crown corker for putting the steel caps on bottles. So that goes with that over there. That's a keeper. There we go. It's a, oh, it's a theodolite type. Amazing. I don't know how it works. With glasses and a tripod. We'll have to investigate that. there's a little, yes, two, I think we need to have those out straight away. They shouldn't be left in there. Interesting. Now, how did that go back in there? Did it go like that? It went like that. Okay. So, is this the same? Yeah. The glass is still wrapped up. Has this got batteries in it? Yeah. They can come out. Because these alkaline batteries tend to expand and exude nasty stuff. So both of those want testing, but Owen or Ian Helsby, shout out. Pop rivet set. This is a Bosch UBH2/20 SE 110 volt SSD drill. We can test it. Oh, and there's a little box here with a chuck and a quick release and the key. That's pretty amazing. Just years ago, you know, you would really think the world of this stuff. A battery charger. Let's just see if we're still in view. Yeah, a battery charger with the clips on the end. Yeah, I might have a blue one of these that I was going to investigate. Yeah. Right, another box. Ah, a 240 volt jigsaw. Yeah. Now, and the roller's still there. So that's probably worth a keeper. It's a Bosch GST 100 BCE, but 240 volt with a sharp wood cutting blade in it. That'll do. An extension lead. Nothing wrong with that. Right, I'm going to move you around. Right, where have we got here? Let's move the camera a bit. It's just a bit of a warning to us all, really. And I do this, I go through, and when I come across stuff that I go, do you know what, I'm never going to need that, it'll go. Like those 110 volt SDS drills, I'll put them in an auction somewhere, and they'll probably make £1 each or something. Anyway, let's have a look. We have here 110 volt transformer, an old-fashioned lead lamp. This apparently is very interesting. It's a clamp, and this is a band, and that will extend out quite a long way for clamping picture frames and square items with 4 miters. So that is a keeper. And it's got little wooden blocks that have been taped on there. Some twin and earth cable, another mains type cable with the ubiquitous kettle type plug on the end. 110 volt, but it's a driver of some form. Might be useful, might not. 110 volt, another screwdriver. That's probably quite slow, but battery ones have taken over, and that is a Hilti. Wow. And that's a Makita. I don't know. Right, and here we've got laptop power supplies, all sorts of things, SCART cables. Another that's got the old 3-pin mains connector to it, and it says 24 volt. I don't know what that is. It's probably some sort of repeater or something, because those look like Ethernet sockets. Mobile phone. What's this? Naxa Core. What is it? It's a tablet of some form, I suspect. That might be worth trying to power up and see what happens. It's got a camera on it. All of these power supplies will go in the drawer full of power supplies, with the, hopefully with the cables wrapped up so they don't get all tangled. Another mains charger. I don't know what this is. It says iPod. Never come across anything like that before. Is it one of those music playing things that were superseded by mobile phones? There's another mobile phone there. It's a Nokia. Where's the... oh, there we go. It's a Star Trek. Beam me up, Scotty. Yeah. Brand new mains cable with that 3-pin on the end where they're useful. That's another computer laptop power supply, 19.5 volts. Yeah, they're all very useful. That's an ADSL filter. Well, I believe that all the phone lines and everything are all going to go through the internet shortly, in the next couple of years. Why they keep changing stuff, I don't know. But ADSL filters may be a thing of the past. Here's another of these. Right? Anybody who knows, it says PoE and LAN. Is it a booster? Don't know. You tell me. Some of you all know. Yeah, loads of stuff. Need to go through that. Yeah. And then the last thing is this bit of joiners. It's a clamp of some form. That's a wooden screw, and it moves that down there, so it obviously is designed to clamp something up. Not sure. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. If you are a person who likes to collect stuff, then all I can say is filter it all the time, because perspectives change. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of corded drills, and I occasionally use them for very specific things, but most of the time I use that battery Makita. So, you know, how many spare washing machines do you need? How many spare drills do you need? Corded drills. How many this, how many that? I've got 3 power washers already. I suppose the thing to do is to just check those, see if they work, and if they do, then move them on. Yeah. No point filling the shed full of stuff that'll never get used because then you feel enclosed and sort of bound down by it all. And definitely don't keep every car you've ever had in the field, or every newspaper you've ever read since 1964. Don't keep all those either, yeah, because that is where the edge of somebody's reality disappears into the dust. Anyway, there you go. Interesting, and the few things will be very handy, and the rest can get moved on to other people. Yeah, catch up with you soon. Cheers for now.